Bobby has a new bus route today, and he should be here to pick us up any second. Aha! Right on time. Hello, Bobby.
You're looking very dapper today, Bobby. We're all looking forward to our ride. Aren't we, my mini metal ones?
Seatbelts on, everyone.
Let's get this show on the road. How about a little sing-song? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
The wheels on Bobby go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on Bobby go round and round all day long. The wheels on Bobby go up and down, up and down, up and down. The wheels on Bobby go up and down all day long.
What next?
The wheels on Bobby go under the bridge, under the... bridge! That bridge is too low, Bobby! Stop! You won't fit underneath!
Bouncing batteries. Poor Bobby's had a boo-boo.
Bobby's worried about being late. Don't worry, old friend. We'll have you fixed up and back on your route in no time. First, we need to adjust your suspension so you can rise up and down. But we're going to need some help. Tilly's here to save the day. What tools do I need? Suction cup. Jack. Gecko's garage. Time to fix. Gecko's garage. Let's fix this. First, I must place the suction cup on. Then with a clamp and a pull, the dent is all gone. To fit under this bridge, Bobby needs to be smaller. But first we need this jack to make him taller. Wire Bobby's suspension to controls inside. To go up and down and safely ride. Let's try the bridge again, shall we? You can do it, Bobby.
I know. How about a bit of music? The wheels on Bobby go under the bridge, under the bridge, under the bridge. The wheels on Bobby go under the bridge with no problems at all.
Yes! Well done, Bobby. See you next time. Hello, everyone. There's make-believe magic in the garage today. The mechanicals are pretending to be alien explorers from another galaxy, and Baby Truck is their spaceship. Oh, you want me to turn off the lights so it's more mysterious. Okay. Be careful, alien friends. Oh, is everyone okay? Nuts and bolts. That looks like a broken tail light. Oh, poor Baby Truck. Or should I say, Baby's space rocket. We'll need to repair your tail light if you're going to fly safely back to your planet. And maybe we'll fit a new rocket thruster too. What tools do we need? Screwdriver? Superglue. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. The first fix will be really bright. With brand new bulbs for your tail lights. This old fin has been gathering rust. We'll repair and reuse it to give us thrust. With your recycled rocket booster in place, your You're ready for a journey home through space!
Baby space rocket
Launch sequence!
activated! 5, 4, 3, 2,
1, lift off! Go, alien explorers!
good luck on your intergalactic adventures! But don't be too long. Mummy Truck will be here soon to pick up baby.
Welcome home, alien friends! Huh? Oh, hi, Mummy Truck. Goodbye, everyone! Hello, everyone! The mechanicals are bouncing on our new trampoline! Oh, look! Max and Molly are here for a checkup. Come on, it's time to help our friends.
You're up first, Molly.
Come inside, Yellow. You can't keep bouncing on your own. It's not safe without a grown-up around to keep an eye on you. All done, Molly. Your turn, Max. Max, where are you?
That's not like him. And it's getting dark.
We need to find Max fast. Don't worry, Molly. We'll find your brother. He can't have gone far. Spread out, mechanicals. We need to find him before it gets too dark. Where could Max have gone?
Tyre tracks on the trampoline? That means Max must have bounced right up to the roof.
Don't worry, Max. We'll get you down safely. And I have an idea how. Tilly! Hello, friend. Can we use your tow rope, please? We need it to lower Max down off the roof. It's okay, Max. The rope will stop you falling, and your monster truck wheels will help you roll onto the ground. That's it, Max. Nice and steady. Well done, Max. You did it.
Now we'll need to repair your damage.
What tools do we need? Wrench. Screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
First unscrew these broken lights, then screw in new ones shining bright. Let's take a look at your horn too. Oh dear, that won't do. We'll bolt in place a new horn here. We hear you loud and clear. Max and Molly's new lights are perfect for helping you watch the mechs having fun on the trampoline. Oh, to make sure you're safe. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. It's very cold today, so we need to wrap up warm.
Oh, what is wrong with you, Sly? Why won't you start? Achoo!
Sniffling screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel and Sly could use our help. Come on, mechanicals. It's important to look after our neighbours. Oh, Mr. Weasel, you and Sly need some help. Let the mechanicals take care of you, and I will look after Sly. Go, go, mechanicals.
What's going on? Oh, no! Put me down!
It's okay, Sly. We'll take you back to the garage for a little checkup.
Leave me alone, trash cans. Oh, well, if you insist. I think I need some grapes, too. Oh! I said grapes, not brakes. Oh.
First, I have to work out how to open your bonnet, Sly. Which one is the right button? Aha! Don't worry, Sly. I know exactly what the problem is. Your battery needs recharging and your water tank is almost empty. What tools do I need? Jump leads, water hose, Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Sly's feeling thirsty and needs a quick drink. Time for a top-up of water, I think. Now connect the jump leads from Sly to Tilly so Sly's battery can charge and he'll stop feeling chilly. Turn on Tilly's engine, that's all Sly needs, to share Tilly's power and zoom off at speed. You're welcome, Sly.
Oh! Sly! You're fixed and all better! Take me home, dear Sly. No, not backwards! Forwards! Oh, fine. Thank you, Gecko.
You're both very welcome. Anytime. Goodbye, everyone.